Oh, I just took a shower. It is now 7:30. Just now I realized that there is actually a ensaymada. So basically this one is extra and Christina gave it to me. But I'm going to eat it tomorrow because this time I am cravings for rice. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's already 2 something, 2:45. Hey, I just got home and I'm preparing my meal. It is going to be this eggplant and eggs. Okay, this is my lunch. This eggplant is coming from Roy and Cassie. It is a little bit raining. Yeah, now it's time for my coffee. And I'm going to eat the bread, the one that I bought yesterday from Christina. So this is the ensaymada. This just with sugar. And usually the special has cheese. But this one is just regular. I don't know if this one is pandesal. I think this is Spanish bread or I don't know. This is Spanish bread. Spanish bread has a filling inside, sweet one. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, 2 o'clock when I sign out. It's already 2:35. Yeah, this frozen rice, look. Or this one looks not. Oh, I'm going to put it in the rice cooker instead. Not yet boiling, but I add some ginger. I still have these chicken cubes. Before going to work this morning, I put it in the chiller. It's roasted now. Yeah, these are some of the bones. I will keep it here for flavoring. I actually don't have rice. That's why I'm going to eat this one. Itong pang mayaman o tayo?
Ay, sa akin peki lang.
Michelin.
Sa akin peki lang.
Mapasok ang tubig.
Oh.
Inigo is here.
Hello.
We are going on camping, but yeah, the same like as usual, no plan.
Random.
And after 1 hour of driving, we are here in the Fraser Beach campground. Yeah, if you remember, I was here before. I camped here before, maybe 5 months or 3 months ago. Yeah, and at the moment, these are the campers. Yeah, this only for 6 space for the vehicle. Basically, you can build your tent at the other side.
With cell phone. Use the cell phone.
I don't know where are the people. Maybe they are. Inigo is just going to hit the corned beef with the pandesal.
Diba? Kasi hindi mamamatay na yung bacteria niyan eh.
So this pandesal is coming from Christina and Rick, and this corned beef is coming from Roy and Cassie. Yeah, we have a sponsor. So yeah, there are people there. They looks like Malaysian or I don't know. So today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And we are very busy. We did 170 packs. Buffet breakfast. Yeah, I was running. And then I finished 2 o'clock and we drive here. This is 1 hour drive to get here. Actually, when I get home, I had arroz caldo. Yeah, I just heat it in microwave. Oh, this is delicious. We are actually not going to camp here. We are here just to eat, and then we are going to Sydney. If you remember, I've been here. I walk all the way to the top of that mountain, and then I walk all the way there. Oh, and if you remember, there is a cave, like underwater, no, like underwater river, cave kind of something. And then I walk all the way there in the mountain until I get back here. Inigo said all the beaches are like this, wooden. Look at this avocado. Yeah, $1. We're going to take it. This farmhouse sausage will be for breakfast. Yeah, tomorrow. Oh, look at this. In here they have this kind of mochi. Yeah, different flavor. They also have macarons and this kind of ice cream. I like the mochi. I remember when I was in Dubai. Yeah, sometimes I go to the Japanese restaurant just downstairs of our restaurant, and Chef Meow, she always give me some mochi. Yeah, and delicious. And what I get is 10 for $10. Tom yum na lang sa akin.
Tom yum? Sa gabi to, umaga.
Kahit alin. You know, most of those things pull down or pull up several times already. And we are now here in the camping ground. Look at that mess.
Nice.
Yeah, Inigo is going to cook now, but I'm going to cook rice now. 480 to 500 watts. Oh, it's okay. I have other rice cooker, but that one is too small. I don't know if the battery can manage this rice cooker. And look at this, there's so many insects in here. So I switch off the light of the van. Camping is difficult. Puno?
Yeah.
So this is how we are going to eat. Barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Yeah, this is salsa. Tomato, onion, soy sauce. And here's the rice. Oh, yeah, rice. And steaming inside. Some vegetable. Instant noodles. Yeah. And we are having this mochi. Oh, because the mochi is in the just in the chiller, it is now very soft inside. So inside is liquid. Like when you hold it like this, it feels very soft. When you bite it, it's like a melted ice cream. Yo, good morning guys. This is where I sleep, and Inigo is actually down there. Yeah, all the other people there is still sleeping. Yeah, so Inigo is already outside. And this is how it is now. The tent there looks very small. And Inigo is again cooking breakfast. I'm actually still full of the food that I ate last night. That is where Inigo slept last night. And yeah, what is your complaint about your first camping?
It's too small.
There is a toilet over there. The toilet is the one that you see what is on the bottom. Oh no, people think that we are eating rice on breakfast. Rice in the breakfast. And you know, this is what I don't like about the tent. You know, it is always wet in the morning.